Hi guys, your boy here. Then don't forget to subscribe before you get into the video. And our iPhone 14 Pro Max just came in the package today. I just wanted to open it up with you guys to show it how it looks like. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm just gonna open it. Oh my! Let's go. Oh my God! Wow, that's sick. And it's a Pro Max. And 3, 2, 1, and let's get it out. It's hard to get it out, guys. Okay. Let's open this guy. 3, 2, 1. Oh my! This looks sick. 3, 2, and oh my God! Hey, let's get the charger out. Be gentle. The charger here, guys. Look it closely, and that's a cool charger. And I don't know what is this, guys. Okay, but here it goes, guys. This is how it looks like. Let's see what's in there. Oh my God, it looks so cool. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. I just opened it, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye.